I'm reminiscing to when I was a kid, while mommy was working, daddy used to drink. I guess he got depressed cause he was going through some shit. He couldn't keep his job, he was getting super sick. There was something wrong with his heart and his lungs. His body was slowly decaying, and mommy, she had to pack up and move to a different town for a paycheck. Yeah, while this was going on, I was getting bullied at school. I didn't tell him cause I didn't wanna bother, and I didn't wanna be another problem. I just had to man up and try to solve it. So when the bullies would hit it, I took it and hit it. And when they were finished, I stood up and gave it a minute. Then went back to the class, teachers were like they never did it. I had to behave and just sit still. So, yeah, alright, I'll sit still. Yeah, I'll be a good boy. Yeah, I'm never gonna speak up. No, I'm never gonna speak up. I'm just so insecure. I no longer know how I should make it in this world. Beating on a trash can, punching like a madman. Spreading hate like a bad man, struggling to dream, no Sandman. Memories on me, no sleeping for days. Nightmares, they told me you keep me away. Peace doesn't want me, this test me, so don't think that give me a break. Yeah, I was just a brittle boy, happy and just feeling joy, playing with my little toys. When they came up and saw me as dangerous, I guess I just had to be destroyed. And who was I to scream? I couldn't make a noise, cause I didn't have the right to be a voice, just to be annoyed. So I had to redeploy to a different place, just to have another group of people spitting in my face. Yeah, alright, I'll sit still. Yeah, I'll be a good boy. Yeah, I'm never gonna speak up. Nah, I'm never gonna speak up. I'm just so insecure. I no longer know how I should make it in this world. Yeah, I was a mess. Yeah, I got depressed. Yeah, I had no will in me left. No. Yeah, I was a mess. Yeah, I got depressed. Yeah, I had no will in me left. No. Yeah. Alright, I'll sit still. Yeah, I'll be a good boy. Yeah, I'm never gonna speak up. Nah, I'm never gonna speak up. I'm just so insecure. I no longer know how I should make it in this world.